Hi everyone. Today we shall learn how to use the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. The syntax for VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP lookup value table array column index number and range lookup. Here, the lookup value refers to the value to look for in the first column of a table. Next, the table array refers to the table from which to retrieve a value. The column index number is the number of the column within your defined range that contains the return value. At last, the range lookup is to specify whether the user requires an exact matched value or an approximate matched value. If you omit this, VLOOKUP function treats it as true as default. You must enter 0 or false for an exact match or 1 or true for an approximate match. So here we have the employee data of a company. Here we have been given the employee ID, and we need to find the designation and the first name of the to the corresponding employee ID. Let's do it using the VLOOKUP function. As usual, we shall start with an equal to sign, then go to the insert function button, and then we shall click on VLOOKUP. OK. So for the lookup value is obviously the employee ID we want to look for. Then the table array is the table which contains the data. Here, if we consider the column of employee ID as the first column, then with respect to it, the column of designation will be fourth. So the column index number is 4. And for range lookup, since we need an exact match, we type it 0. And then we click on OK, and we get the required result. Next, for the next employee ID, in the same manner, we go and click on the VLOOKUP function. The lookup value, as in the last case, is the employee ID. The table array is the table containing the data. The column index number of designation with respect to the first column, that is employee ID, is 4. And in the range lookup, we leave it to see the result. The range lookup we get data and list. Let's look at another example. We type here is equal to, click on VLOOKUP. The lookup value as again is employee ID. The table array is the table containing the required data. Here, the column of first name is in the second position with respect to the column of employee ID. So we type here 2. Since we need an exact match, we shall type here 0. We get OK. In the same procedure, we shall find the next one. VLOOKUP function, lookup value, then table array, column index number is 2. Since we need an exact match, we type here 0 and OK. We get the result. Let's look at a different kind of example or a different scenario. So here we have been given the last name and the joining date, and we need to find out the joining date. As we know that to use the VLOOKUP function, the lookup value must be the first column. So here what shall we do? Considering the whole database, the column of last name is the third position. So we shall not select the whole database. We shall only select the part of the table which has the column of last name as the first column. Let's understand it through this example. Is equal to, then insert button, VLOOKUP, OK. So here the lookup value is the last name. As I told you, we must consider the part of the table which has the lookup value column as the first column. So we shall select the table from here. Wait. Lookup value. The column index in this case, we need to find out the joining date. So the column index number of joining date with respect to the column of last name is obviously 3, since the last name column is the first column, and then 1, 1, 2, 3. So we type here 3. The range lookup is 0. We click here OK, and we get the joining date. Next, the same scenario with another example. We go to VLOOKUP. The lookup value is the last name. The table array is this one, and the column index number of joining date with respect to the column of last name is 3. We require an exact match, so we type in 0. And so we get the answer. Thus, as we saw in the above examples, the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel is a tool for looking up a piece of information in a table or data and extracting some corresponding data or information from the same table. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. For more such interesting content, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such interesting videos.